How to search for ITS deployment statistics in 3 easy steps. You can start by navigating to the ITS Deployment Evaluation website. You can access the deployment statistics portion of the website by selecting the icon shown to the left. Once here, you can use the resources to explore where ITS is deployed, adoption levels of different ITS technologies, and how adoption levels of ITS have changed over time. The ITS Deployment Tracking Survey measures the extent to which various types of ITS technologies are deployed by freeway, arterial, and transit management agencies. Click on the tile at the top of the page to explore the most recent survey conducted in 2023, which expanded the geographic coverage of the survey nationwide to include smaller urban and rural areas, in addition to previously surveyed large metropolitan areas. Here you can view reports, infographics, deployment data, survey instruments, and the user guide for the 2023 ITS Deployment Tracking Survey. You can also search previous ITS Deployment Tracking Surveys. These have been conducted periodically since 1999 among freeway, arterial, and transit management agencies in large metropolitan areas. These surveys offer a way to assess ITS adoption trends in these areas. Finally, explore the special topic deployment surveys by clicking on this tile. These provide more information on specific ITS technologies and topics such as connected vehicles and small urban and rural transit. Thanks for visiting, and we hope you enjoy exploring the ITS Deployment Evaluation website.